Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hi and good evening to Madam Hidayah. I am Nursabrina Alia and my teammate is Wamah Adam, Asshraff Idriss and Nik Natasya. So for this assignment, we were required to propose a double-story timber house to a client in Cerating, Terengganu. We are going to explain what is the suitable types of element that suit to the timber house. So as we know, timber offers numerous benefits in construction. Its sustainability, versatility, and strength make it an attractive choice for builders and architects. Its versatility allows for a wide range of application, and engineered woods products provide enhanced strength for the larger structures. Timber's energy efficiency, aesthetic, and positive effects on health and well-being further add to its appeal. Additionally, timber construction method can improve efficiency and reduce costs. Lastly, timber's adaptability and recyclability make it a valuable resources that promotes a circular economy. Overall, timber's benefit in construction make it an excellent choice for curating environmental friendly, visually appealing and functional buildings.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Adam and I will explain one or two things about selection for our layout plan. So for the layout plan, it consists of two floors, of course, but it also consists of 60 to 40 of its proportion. By 60% is reserved for rooms like living rooms, bedrooms, and area for kitchen and dining, while 40% is for hallways, staircase, and the bathroom. So the timber house here is taking inspiration from the Western log cabin house, unlike the local timber house which using suspended ground floor like we see in the rural area. So this one for the timber house is very unique. You don't see much in Malaysia, especially in Terengganu.
Assalamualaikum, Madam Nur Hidayah. My name is Nik Natasya. This is the explanation of external wall structure. So what is an external wall structure? External wall is a timber frame wall, essentially consists of horizontal component of the same section at the top and bottom, referred to as a top or head plates, and sole plate or pieces framing vertical wood member known as stack. There are three types of external wall structure, which are platform frame, balloon frame, and modified frame. So we decided to choose a platform frame as purpose to build a double-story timber house in Cerating, Terengganu. For the selection and suitability of external wall structure that is chosen is platform frame. The first reason why is because the construction is a further development of the tradition of improving timber building raised using traditional carpentry skill. Secondly, platform framing is also independent of wood, in contrast to balloon framing, and a structure constructed in this way is also stronger. Lastly, it is a simpler method of construction and the technique used to make a quicker method of construction. In building, fewer pieces of wood are utilized and a little labor is needed. As a result, the building construction expense is kept to a minimum. Okay, let's move to the explanation of the internal wall. Internal wall, known as a partition, are used to separate a space into various separate rooms or individual areas. The most frequent material used to create them are stud-wood frames, proprietary prefabricated system, or lightweight block work. There are two types of internal wall, which are timber stud work partition and preform partition. As a result, we have chosen the timber stud partition for the purpose because an interior wall made of widely accessible, affordable lumber is the ideal material. Timber stud partition also the ideal time to add thermal and acoustic insulation is while constructing a new timber stud wall. The insulation helps keep heat or cool in and noise out while the stud hold the wall. Both for interior and outdoor walls, timber stud walls are flexible and well-liked option. They are easily adaptable to many applications and have outstanding structural stability. Next, I will pass to Ashraf for the door and window.
Hello, my name is Ashraf. Next, I will present about our selection of doors. Door is a solid barrier that is fixed in the opening in the wall or partition to hinge or slide open or close for access to and from buildings and between rooms, compartments, corridors and stairs. They frequently have furniture or ironmongery that enables them to open, close, stay closed and lock, and they usually swing on hinges. The structures that support and hold the door in place are known as door frames. The frames offers the stability and guarantees correct door installation. The main function of the door is to maintain privacy and safety inside the house or building when it is closed. There are 3 door selections according to the area in the house. First, security door. Second, timber flush door, and third is the PVC flush door. Firstly, the security door is chosen as the main door or the entry of the house. There are a few suitability of the security door. The first about its strength. These doors are made from a solid and heavy material, typically steel, which provides unmatched strength and durability against any potential intruder or forced entry. These materials are intended to add extra security and protection to a residential or commercial property. Next, about security. The door frame is usually reinforced with additional metal plates or bars to prevent it from being easily kicked in or pried open. Usually, it is also outfitted with heavy-duty deadbolt locks for further security. The security door also have numerous locking points, including top and bottom bolts. Next, about aesthetic or its design. The security door also can come in a variety of shapes and designs. With the variety of colors and exterior finishes, these doors may be customized to complement the decor of home. Next, the solid timber flush door is selected for the bedroom doors. This door is more durable because the wooden doors are very strong and not easy to rust or corrode over time. The solid wooden door is also very aesthetic. Solid wooden doors have a timeless and elegant appearance that can improve the overall aesthetic of a bedroom. It has a good versatility. Wood can be cut and shaped to fit a variety of patterns and sizes, making it a perfect choice for custom doors. You can end up with the door that best suits into your personality. Solid timber doors also are known for their strength. Solid door is very strong, and with the advances in construction, it can last for many years. It will provide security and dependability for the duration of its life. They are strong and difficult to break through, offering extra protection to your bedroom. Lastly, the selected door for the bathroom is the PVC flush door. PVC doors are suitable to be employed in interior space. Interior PVC doors are popular among homeowners due to their expensive cost, variety of styles, and moisture resistant. It is waterproof and it will not shrink or expand over time. As a result, it is suitable for bathroom doors. The PVC door also are very economical and low cost, maybe because of the use of the non-wood. PVC doors are also require no painting. The PVC door is also more durable. PVC is good in durability because it is moisture resistant. It repels water. It can last a lifetime as it can also withstand differences in temperature. Not to mention it cannot be damaged by termites. In this part, I will present about window. A window is an opening formed in a wall or roof to admit daylight through some transparent material fits in the window opening. Windows are essential for proper room ventilation. As the window is part of the wall of building, it should serve to exclude wind and rain and act as a barrier to excessive transfer of heat, sound, and spread of fire. Windows are often glazed or covered in a clear material such as float glass. Frame hold windows in place and keep them from collapsing in. The selection of the windows are of different types according to the selected area. Among the area is living, kitchen, bedroom, staircase, dining and bathroom. Firstly, the sliding windows is selected for the living and kitchen area. The windows are both spaces are classified as double track windows, but the size and height different due to the suitability of the area. There are a few advantages of this window. The first, it is easy to use. They move smoothly on tracks. It is not heavy, so it requires a little effort to open and close the window. Second, it giving more natural light because sliding windows have larger glass areas, which is it has no panel design, so it allowing the ample natural light to enter the house. Another advantage of sliding windows is it is space saving. Sliding windows do not swing outward or inward like casement windows, so the sliding movement can save space both inside and outside the building. Next, the fixed window is the type of window selected for the staircase area. The type of fixed window chosen is a single pane window and its material is wood. One of the suitability is from the aspect of view and natural light. Fixed window are perfect for catching scenic views and letting in plenty of natural light. They offer an uninterrupted view of the outdoor, making them popular in location with beautiful scenery. Other than that, it is also easy to use and require low maintenance. They contain fewer moving parts, thus there is less possibility of mechanical failure or wear and tear. The fixed window also can act as a noise preventer. Fixed window can provide better sound insulation compared to the operable windows, especially if they are constructed with double or triple glazing. Lastly, the casement window is the type of window selected for the three area which is dining, bedroom, and the bathroom. There are two types of opening casement window chosen, which are side hung and top hung. The side hung window will be placed for the dining and bedroom area, while the top hung is for the bathroom. There are a few advantages of the casement window. One of them is it is giving good ventilation. Casement window can be fully open, providing maximum airflow and fresh air circulation. It is also have easy operation. because casement windows are often actuated by a crank or lever mechanism, making them simple to open and close even in difficult to reach areas. It also have giving us good security. When securely locked, casement windows are difficult to pry open from the outside, so it increase the security of your property.
So I will continue to explain about the roof section for our timber house. So roof is a covering that covers the top of our building. Covers from what exactly? So it covers from extreme weather and conditions such as rain, snow, thunderstorm, and also extreme heat. So it can be built by using different materials, and it also has some requirements that has to be fulfilled to in order to build a certain type of roof. I will explain a little bit more in the next slide. So as you can see on the slide, there are multiple selection and suitability of the roof. The first one is the type, the material, design, and also other factors. So the first one is the type. There are two common types of roof that are being used in Malaysia. The first one is flat roof and also pitch roof. So what is flat? What is pitch? Flat roof is a roof that are almost flat with up to 5% degree 5 degree inclination to the horizontal. Meanwhile, pitch roof is any roof that are 10 degree to more than 10 degree inclination to the ridge. So next is the material. The material can consist into two different parts of the roof, which is the structure and the covering. So the structure can consist of the ceiling joists, the truss, and also the battens. The common use material are timber and also steel. For the covering, it is the finishes or the outer layer that are exposed to the roof. So the common material used are clay tiles, concrete tiles, and also zinc. So these different types of material used can affect on the strength, the stability, and the safety of the roof. So next is the design. The first one is the drainage system. So most of the house in Asian country especially use pitch roof because for this one purpose, the drainage system. So the pitch roof, as you can see, is a triangle shaped roof. So it can allow the rainwater to flow down more smoothly than the flat roof. So next is the span of the room. This one is especially for the types of pitch roof used. So there are types of the pitch that can be used for 4 meters or 5 meters or even 8 meters or longer. So next is the functional space of the roof. So the flat roof, for the functional space, we can walk more freely and put more stuff more frequently, because it can be considered as extra upper floor beam that we can walk freely. Meanwhile, the pitch roof, the ceiling joist is strong enough just to put the water storage tank inside the roof. And lastly is the aesthetic value of the roof. This one is much more related to the material used for the outer layer of the roof, which is the covering or the finishes. So if you want more pleasant look or more fresh look, you can opt for concrete tiles or timber board instead of the common clay tiles that are being used in our country. So lastly is the other factors that need to be considered for the selection and suitability of the roof. So the first one is the initial cost of the roof itself. So although it is more affordable for the long-term use, the initial cost to construct a pitch roof is much higher than the flat roof. But for the maintenance of the roof, the pitch roof is much more easier to maintain because it is easy to locate the source of the leakage And unlike the flat roof, the using pitch roof, by using pitch roof, we don't have to hack or reconstruct the whole roof just to do maintenance. So for the longer lifespan of maintenance also, the material used for pitch roof are more durable than the flat roof, hence it making more affordable for the long term.
Okay, next, a staircase. A staircase is a construction feature that consists of a series of steps or treads, typically designed to connect different levels of floor within a building. It provides a means of vertical circulation, allowing people to move between different levels with ease. Staircases can be found in residential homes, commercial buildings, public space, and various other structures. There are a few types of staircase. For the example, the straight flight, half turn, quarter turn, and spiral and elliptical. But the most suitable staircase in this case is half turn, which means 180-degree return. There are a few factors that I can explain is about space and location. The space and location where the stairs will be built are in the house corner, according to the layout plan for our project. So the half turn with glass balustrade staircase is the most appropriate and accurate choice for the types of step. The design of the half turn maximizes available area. Additionally, by placing the stairs in the house corner, other rooms are made larger and can be combined with one another to create larger spaces, such as a huge living room and a big dining area and another large bedroom. So, next, it's about staircase design and styles. A minimalist design can have clear lines created by glass and wood. This elegant hardwood staircase translucent glass banisters completes the room's decor perfectly. This half-turn staircase become an architectural focus point because to the straightforward but effective pairing of wood and glass. Next, for the important things is safety consideration. Having a balustrade are made to support the user by holding it when they are climbing the stairs. Also, the size of the stairs will be measured in accordance of safe measuring guidelines. Additionally, one flight of flight is not extremely long. Therefore, if someone falls, they won't sustain a significant injury because of how short the staircase are. So for the last but not least, if there is a fire on an upper floor, the stairs can swiftly stop the flame from spreading. So it is giving people time to escape. For the last factor is cost of stickers. In comparison to other stickers, the price to build these half-turn cases, half-turn staircase is not prohibitive, and it is often used in typical residential construction and is quite inexpensive.
In a nutshell, the country's goal is to grow more trees because the timber is locally comparatively accessible and reasonable price. Timber is an environmentally beneficial building materials. Finally, the marketing of application will be helped by action like expanding the planting of trees, upgrading laboratory infrastructure, and hiring more professionals in the wood and timber technology. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.